All right, everybody, this is my new snap-on 40-inch sliding cart. So the tool cart adventure begins now. I love this thing right here. It opens up, and this is me opening it up for the morning right here. Here's how it lays every morning. I'll put that over there a little bit better like that. But metric, standard side, I work for a major rental company, and a lot of the equipment we still get is usually half standard and half metric. Drives you crazy when you take something apart sometimes, but a lot of the American-made stuff still uses standard, so we have to have a little bit of that. Got this set here off this Mack truck. It's Expert. I love it. It's, of course, you can tell it's shallow and deep, but it's metric and standard, and it's probably, when it comes to impact sockets, probably about 90% of the sockets I use here. So this is just 3/8 and quarters, all I keep in this box right here. My 1/2 inch is in my big green box over there. But we're not here to talk about that. We're talk about this right here. It's still new, so I have a little hard time opening the drawers and stuff like that. 1/4 inch ratchets, extensions, and this is all 3/8 stuff. That's 3/8, and the majority of that is 3/8. That there is a 1/2 inch. I used to check like differentials and stuff like that. A lot of snap-on Mack, a little bit of Macco, Cornwell. I don't discriminate. I use everybody. Over on that side, you know, just keep miscellaneous tools I use all the time. Just grab stuff. Now you know what major company I work for. I gave that away, didn't I? But that's just like that right there. Quick review here. Nothing fancy. On my drawers. So this is what it looks like every morning when I open it up. I know I got the white, but when you see a smudge, you can wipe it right off of it. So it is easy to keep clean. That's my, small screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers. That's a star bit set. Of course, picks, screwdrivers, universal set. These are the snap-on pliers set. The blue is a big thing. I wish I hadn't bought it because you lay them down, it's hard to find them. Probably gonna get some high vis and take those to the house. Extra batteries for all my stuff. It's a plier drawer. I'm still trying to figure out how to arrange that one right there. Also come with dividers for this shelf here that you can run little dividers on however you want to, but that's what I use it there for. Majority of different pliers, my blowguns, service wrench from Martin, my impact screwdrivers, scraper that I've been looking for. That goes in the top drawer. Electrical drawer, it's totally just a shambles. We've got a inspection camera, battery service kit, temperature gun, different crimpers, all my heat shrink stuff I use. Check all my different trailers, voltmeter, probe kit. This is the beater drawer. I love the beater drawer. Anti-vibe hammers from Mack. Absolutely love those. They're awesome. Punch set from Tecton. Those are snap-on punch and chisel. Those are some big boys, and everybody's always wanting to borrow them. But, I mainly got that one for driving out races on semis. And this is a lot of my power tools are down here. Bit driver, that's all my bit driver kits. Of course, you can tell right there that is my power probe. I keep that down there. Grinder, drill. That's a 3/4 inch. Keep my 1/2 inch stuff in the other toolbox. But quick review. I really enjoy this box. It's a nice box. So I hope you all have a great and glorious day.